Electric vehicles is the billion-dollar industry and also the future. And most of the viewers asked us to mention about the companies which are listed in the stock market. And in this video, we will mention some of the electric vehicle companies which are listed in the stock market. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Currently, the electric vehicle industry is being dominated by the electric two-wheelers and electric three-wheeler companies. And if you look at the electric vehicle two-wheeler sales report for the 2021, the top three companies are Hero Electric, Okinawa Scooters and Ampere Vehicles. But the top two companies, Hero Electric and Okinawa Scooters, are not listed in the share market. But however, if you type Okinawa Scooters, you will get a company called Okinawa Electric Power Company, and it is nowhere related to Okinawa Scooters. Whereas the third company, which is Ampere Vehicles, it is acquired by Greaves Cotton, and Greaves Cotton Limited is listed in the stock market. In terms of sales, Ampere Vehicles secured third position, and the best selling electric scooter from Ampere Vehicles is Ampere Zeal, and the other models are Ampere Rio and Ampere Magnus Pro. And recently Greaves Cotton announced that they are going to enter into multi-brand EV retail segment, and the share price of Greaves Cotton Limited is 137 rupees 55 paise. And now coming to the next company, we have Ather Energy. Ather Energy is currently not listed in the stock market, but Hero MotoCorp had 38.57% stake in Ather Energy. So Hero MotoCorp is indirectly invested in Ather Energy. Even Hero MotoCorp also planning to bring its own electric two-wheeler by March 2022. And the share price of Hero MotoCorp Limited is 2,847 rupees 90 paise. And now coming to the revolutionary player, which is Ola. So far, Ola is not listed in the stock market, but the company recently announced that they have plans to raise up to $1 billion through IPO. And now coming to electric bike segment, the best-selling electric bike in India is Revolt RV400, the Revolt IntelliCorp, whereas Revolt IntelliCorp is not directly into the stock market, whereas Rattan India Enterprises had a 43% stake in Revolt IntelliCorp. And RV400 is the best electric bike in India due to the 8-year warranty the company is providing on its battery pack. And Revolt IntelliCorp also plans to launch an affordable electric bike in 2022, and the company also expanding its dealership network as well. Rattan India Enterprises Limited share price is 44 rupees 45 paise. And the next company is Ultraviolet Automotive Private Limited. The F77 is India's first electric super bike, and the company is planning to launch this electric bike in the first quarter of 2022. However, TVS Motors had a stake of 30% in Ultraviolet Motors Private Limited. Even TVS Motors already entered into the electric vehicle segment with the iQube electric scooter. The sales of the iQube electric scooters also increased from last 2 months. And the share price of TVS Motor Company Limited is 552 rupees 90 paise. And the next company is Bharat Forge, India's most awaited and most delayed electric bike, Tork T6X, which is manufactured by Tork Motors. And Tork Motors' major stake is acquired by Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge invested $300 million. And surprising fact is Ola CEO Bhavish Aggarwal also invested in the company $66,800 in Tork Motors. And the share price of Bharat Forge Limited is 738 rupees 80 paise. And the next company is Himadri Group. The 200 crore worth Himadri Group recently entered into the EV space with a new entity called Motovolt Mobility Private Limited, and the company is planning to invest 100 crore rupees in the electric cycle segment, and some of the electric cycles are Hum and Kivo. And the Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited stock price is 51 rupees 75 paise. And the next company is Bajaj Auto Limited. The company has launched electric Chetak last year, and this electric scooter is available in 4 states. And even Bajaj RE Electric Auto is expected to launch in the next 2 years. And the share price of Bajaj Auto Limited is 3,823 rupees 85 paise. So these are some of the electric two-wheelers and electric three-wheeler stocks available in India. And in our second part, we will share few more electric vehicle companies which are listed in the stock market. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And for faster updates, please to follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group. Go green, go electric.